Alright, hey everyone, what's up? It's me. So I'm actually going to be doing a outfit of the video. Outfit of today video, oh my god. So, as you can see, I have a shirt I got from Poshmark that says Senpai will never notice you, or Senpai will never be your crush. Yeah, I got that from Poshmark from Torrid, I think. Next, I actually have skinny jeans. I actually love these jeans on me. Like, when I first got them, they didn't fit, but after I lost 10 to 15 pounds, they actually did fit. Next, my shoes. I love these shoes. They're also from Poshmark. They're from Hot Topic. Yeah, and they're pleather. So, yeah, these are definitely my favorites. And next on here is my necklace. It says Miss February. It's Playboy that I also got from Poshmark. I guess this is actually a outfit of the day Poshmark inspired video, I guess. So yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Alright, bye.